This question is from GATE Mechanical Engineering of 2014. This is question number 16 of set 2. The question is, in a heat exchanger, it is observed that delta T1 is equal to delta T2, where delta T1 is the temperature difference between the two single phase fluid streams at one end, and delta T2 is the temperature difference at the other end. The heat exchanger is, so we need to find out for which heat exchanger this condition satisfies. Now in the problem it is already given that delta T1 is equal to delta T2, where delta T1 and delta 2 are defined here. Temperature difference between the two single phase fluid streams at one end, and delta T2 is at another end. So delta T1 we can write temperature of hot fluid at 1 minus temperature of cold fluid at 2. This is equal to temperature of hot fluid at 2 minus temperature of cold fluid at 1. So again we can write this as TH1 minus TH2 is equal to TC2 minus TC1, and if we multiply mass flow rate of hot fluid into heat capacity of hot fluid into TH1 minus TH2 is equal to mass flow rate of cold fluid into heat capacity of cold fluid into TC2 minus TC1. So this means the heat capacity of both the fluids are same, and this will be possible only in case of counterflow heat exchanger. Okay, therefore delta T1 is equal to delta T2 is only possible in case of counterflow heat exchanger. Okay, for a parallel flow heat exchanger, delta T1 is always greater than delta T2. And this is also not true for a condenser or an evaporator. Therefore, option C is the correct choice. Okay, this is only possible in case of counterflow heat exchanger, and that too if the heat capacity of both the fluids are same. That means the hot fluid as well as the cold fluid. For more information, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 60, Heat Exchangers 1, on Conduction and Convection Heat Transfer by Professor S.K. Som of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur.